For this DIY, I'm going to be using these wreath forms, but for this project here, I'm going to use only 3. So I have these 2, and then I have this one. This one I already bent a little bit. So all I did was, to get this shape here, is I took this form and I just bent it back. So I bent it until my hands touched each other. I don't want to bend this one. The wires, once they bend one way and then you try to move them again, they will snap. So that is what happened here. And then, so I have this piece on this side, but the one that goes here already broke completely off. And then this part snapped as well. The goal for this project is to create a 3D style pumpkin display. This is going to be on my mantle. So I'm going to just connect these 3 together. So these 2 will be the base of it. They'll kind of sit together like this. And then I'm going to work this one in somehow in the middle. That's going to go around probably. And fit this in such a way that it kind of looks like it's all one. And I am going to connect the pieces together using some zip ties. So I don't have the final construction, but this is somewhat of the look that I want. So if you're interested in how this is all going to come together, then I hope you keep watching. This is pretty much what I had in mind. I think I made it a little bit different when I first set it up, but we're gonna go with this. So at this point, let me just show you a few angles. I'm gonna hang this on my mantle, and I'm gonna put a frame around it so it could kind of look like a picture, but of course it's gonna pop out. That's how it's gonna look from the wall going out. So the next step, what I'm gonna do is cover this with paper mache. And then I'm going to paint each of the pumpkins a different color. It's going to kind of coordinate with my front door decor, which is going to be coming up next. So look out for that video. Using this tray to create my dining room centerpiece. This is a tray I made in it's a Dollar Tree DIY. I'll link it below in case you want to check it out. And then I'll add this. I made this in a previous video as well, which is linked. And then I'm just adding some pumpkins. This one is a ceramic one that I painted. And then these two Dollar Tree pumpkins, which I also previously painted. Let's change out this mantle for fall. But first, peep the shirt. Size small, get yours today. Website linked below. And now I have some of these little sticks. This is for like molding. I got this from Home Depot. I'm gonna cut this down and make a frame. I'm gonna make 45-degree cuts here and here so that it can connect like this, and it'll be like a slanted line, and it'll just fit right together. So that frame is gonna be attached here with some command strips, the Velcro strips. And the other thing I did was print out these characters on my Cricut, and it says thankful in Chinese. I wanted to put words above the pumpkins, and I was trying to figure out what it should say, and I wanted it to say thankful or blessed, but I already have something that says thankful and blessed. So I decided, let's just look up thankful in Chinese. So I was able to transfer it to Canva, transfer that to the Cricut, and then I printed it out. So these are gonna go up there too. now that that's up, I'm going to add to the sides here. The first thing is going to be these floral pieces. So all the floral pieces that I use for my 2 front doors came from the Dollar Tree, and these are the leftovers from that. And this is the jar that I updated using this faux leather in a previous video, which I'll link below. I'm going to put one of these on either side. And then to this side here, I'm going to add this seagrass jar, which I mentioned in a previous video when I was showing the seagrass leather piece that I updated. And then I have this pumpkin that I spray painted a while ago. I'm going to add this too. And then back over here to this side, I'm just going to add one more thing. I'm going to include these bookends that I had in my spring decor, but because it's that metallic copper look, I'm going to add this here. And I'm going to include these 3 books, one of which is the Bible that I recovered with the faux leather from the previous video, which is linked below. And that is my mantle decor for fall 2022 all done. I also am changing out these 2 pictures on the side, so if you're interested in what I'm going to make to put there, then stay tuned for another video.